Hey everybody, Aza here. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you how to bake our two favorite healthy chicken parmesan. First, we're gonna bake this restaurant quality juicy chicken. Then we're gonna bake this pesto parmesan. Sounds fancy, but it's so easy to bake. Let's get started. You'll need 2 chicken breasts. The first thing I like to do is pat the chicken with a paper towel to absorb all the excess moisture. Like this, perfect. If your chicken breast is small, keep it as it is. But if it is large, cut it in half to get 2 fillets. Great! In most recipes, they bread the chicken and fry it, then sprinkle cheese and bake it. But for the healthy version, I marinated them and placed them in the oven. Let's do it together. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Here I have a store-bought marinara sauce, so spread half of your marinara sauce over the bottom. What I like to do is add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of oregano. Mix them well. Place your chicken in a single layer over the sauce, one by one like that. Now add salt and pepper. Also add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of basil. Then spoon the remaining sauce generously over the center of each chicken fillet. The marinara will help seal in the juiciness of chicken. Bake it uncovered on the center of the rack of preheated oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes. Now take out of the oven, top with a generous 1 cup of the shredded Parmesan cheese. Let it cook for another 10 minutes. Okay, here we go. Yummy yummy. I love how this cheese gets crisp so good on the edge. I like to serve this with some hot buttered asparagus. I'm going to spoon on some sauce first. There is plenty in there, so you can be so generous. Okay. And I'm gonna cut right in. I want you to see it's so juicy. Perfect. This is the perfect simple dinner. It's classy and elegant, but it really has simple ingredients. This is totally restaurant quality dish that you create at home, and everybody loves chicken and cheese. Let's move to the second recipe. First, pat the chicken with a paper towel. Perfect. Now for this recipe, we're gonna slightly cut the chicken breast in the middle so we can add our stuffing in like so. Just make sure that you don't go all the way through. You want to keep it connected. I just want to leave just enough space so that you can fill it up later on. Now I'm ready to season the inside of the chicken with pepper and salt. Okay, it's time to marinate. This time I add my homemade pesto sauce. It's so easy, just a combination of fresh basil, parmesan, pine nuts, garlic, salt and pepper, and olive oil. Plus incredibly quick and easy to make. Let's fill the chicken like that. Perfect. Now fill with a generous 1 cup of the shredded Parmesan cheese. Now it's time to close up the chicken like so. Preheat your oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Here spread a half of your pesto sauce over the bottom. Place your chicken in a single layer over the sauce. Now spoon the remaining sauce generously over the center of each chicken fillet. The marinara will help seal in the juiciness of chicken. Bake it uncovered on the center of the rack of the preheated oven for 20-25 minutes. Okay, here we go, a perfect simple dinner. I served this one with some cooked veggies. It's classy and elegant, but so easy and simple. This is totally a restaurant quality dish that you create at home and everybody loves. I hope to become your favorite. Let's cut right in. I want you to see it's so juicy and perfect. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.